While the market for wireless audio keeps growing, Focal has thrown its hat into the ring with their Sphear Wireless Earphones. With this cord-cutting version of the Sphear S, the $130 Sphear Wireless adds Bluetooth 4.1 to Focal's in-ear headphones. Let's take a look. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, this is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. High-end audio has defined Focal with their line of over-ear headphones, floor-standing speakers, and surround sound systems. The Sphear Wireless Earphones bring that same philosophy of quality sound to a more affordable and mobile package. Overall, I really enjoyed the design of the Sphear Wireless. As the name alludes to, its shape is mostly rounded, and there's a nice selection of available color options. But when placed in your ear, most of what is visible is the stainless steel ring with a mixture of polished and brushed finishes. The buttons are easy to find and navigate on the cord. The microphone is located behind the buttons, so it can be easily grabbed if you need to pull the mic closer. The battery module is pretty plain with the LED status light. Focal has a knack for pure audio. Of course, sound quality and EQ are always subject to the listener's own taste, but if you're looking for a sound true to its design, Focal is always a good brand to look for. The Sphear Wireless gives a very well-rounded audio profile, with clear but controlled highs and reserved bass. If you prefer an EQ setting with boosted highs and lows, you can turn this setting on by holding down 2 buttons. It isn't a huge difference, but I found myself using it most of the time when working out or on the move. The included array of silicone and memory foam tips should make it easy to find a good fit for your ears. Personally, the installed silicone tips are the best fit for me. I had been using memory foam tips on other in-ear headphones, but really prefer these silicone tips. Even when going for a long run, they stayed in my ears and were easy to remove and reinsert when needed, and I found them to be very comfortable for extended use. Bluetooth 4.1 works as expected on the Sphear Wireless. Pairing was easy, and controlling functions with the 3 buttons was intuitive. For the most part, the connection was solid, but I would get very occasional hiccups when going for a run. Their small form factor and wireless functionality make the Sphear Wireless a great companion for travel. They come with a carrying pouch to stow in a pocket or bag. The nature of the silicone or memory foam tips to block out sound also helps for travel. They're not noise canceling, but they do help to minimize background noise. If you prefer being able to hear what is around you for situational awareness, this can be a feature that is undesirable, but most of the time, I want to block out the background noise and focus on the audio I'm pumping into my ears. Focal claims 8 hours of battery life, which I found to be pretty accurate. I would use it for multiple workout sessions without needing to recharge it. When the battery is getting low, there will be a voice prompt when you turn on the headphones that will let you know that the battery could use a charge, and it will be fully charged in about 2 hours. Overall, I've been very pleased with the Focal Sphear Wireless Headphones. The build quality, audio quality, and usability make them a well-rounded set to have on you while at the gym or on the go. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.